Dr. Sourav sir classes, and today we are solving ISI M.Math MMA Solutions 2025, and here we are at question number 22 in the series. So let's solve it out. Here we are being given, we will set the definition. So H is M by N, and N divides 2025, and K is N is co-prime to 2025. So now if you recall the sub-property for the additions to be a subgroup under addition, a non-empty subset must have first closed under addition to closed under additive inverse. So first we will check for H. Okay. So now M1 by N1 plus M2 by N2 is equal to M1 N2 plus M2 N1 by N1 N2. So then since both N1 and N2 divide 2025, their product may not divide. Correct. So example like 5 and 9, they divide 2025, but 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. It does not divide 2025. So the sum may have a denominator that does not divide 2025. So H is not closed under addition, and yes, it's not a subgroup. Now we will check for K then. So for K we will take M1 by N1 comma M2 by N2. So then it is with N1 comma 2025, and that is 1. So then M1 by N1 M2 by N2 is equal to again M1 N2 plus M2 N1 by N1 N2. Now GED N1 N2 2025 is 1, since both N1 and N2 are co-prime. So the denominator of sum is also co-prime of 2025. So additive inverse of M by N is M by N, which is additive inverse, so minus, which is in K. So then K is a subgroup. So my correct option is option C. K is a subgroup of Q under addition.